about you so good. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it. So today I bring you my favorite among the swallows, greeny okra soup or okra soup, the simplest method ever. So let's go. So I have my ingredients here: some wele, some onion, my mise en place, chopped okra, yes, and then I have my ayoyo leaves also. Okay, and then for my protein I'll be using some cow feet, I have salmon, I have crabs, and then of course my wele is also available. Okay, so let's get into business. So over here I'm gonna cook my okra. Yeah, so I add some water to it, and then we're gonna cook this for just about 5 to 6 minutes. So in my saucepan I add my cow feet. I have cooked a bit already, so I'll just add some water to it, some mise en place, and my seasoning, and then we're gonna boil this. Okay, so I add my seasoning, little salt to taste, and then stir, and then we're gonna cover this and allow it to cook very well. You know, cow feet can be very tough. Yes, so over here it's a bit soft and tender, so I'm going to add my wele, my crabs, so we stir and then we cover it to cook a bit. Then we will attend to our okra. So our okra is boiling, so I add the ayoyo leaves and then stir, and then immediately I add the ayoyo leaves. After just 1 to 2 minutes I put the fire off and then allow it to cool down a bit. Okay, please family, don't cover the okra. If you want it slimy, don't cover it. Okay, so now I add my fish to it, and then I add some onions because I want my onion to be crunchy. Then I sprinkle some pepper, so we cover it up for allow it to boil for just 2 minutes. Then I am adding my secret ingredient, that is shrimp powder. Yes, then I add my okra, and just look at how greeny, how beautiful, and how slimy it is. So we gently stir it so our fish doesn't tear. And please note, no covering of the stew or the soup. So we stir for it to incorporate into each other. You taste for salt and seasoning if it's okay. For me it was okay because my meat was well seasoned. So I allow it to simmer for just 2-3 minutes, and voila, my slimy greeny okra soup or okra stew is ready. Just look at this. I know you are craving. Family, please note, this is my favorite among the swallows. So me who banku ni nkruma froya. Eveee. So you can see my banku is also ready, very soft. So I am gonna serve myself. Voila. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord, and it's so marvelous in my eyes. If you like this video, why don't you give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please subscribe so we grow together. Okay, so come, you are invited to enjoy this greeny okra soup with banku with me. Thank you guys. See ya. Bye family.